Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a website using Webflow, a powerful no-code platform. We'll start by getting familiar with the Webflow interface, which is incredibly intuitive. You'll learn how to create a brand new project, whether you prefer to start from a template or build from scratch. We'll also cover essential initial setup steps, like naming your site and adding a favicon, ensuring a smooth beginning to your web design journey. Now, let's dive into the design phase. Webflow's visual canvas makes designing a breeze. We'll explore the box model, a fundamental concept for structuring your content with precision. You'll master Flexbox and Grid, powerful tools for creating responsive layouts that look great on screens of all sizes. Adding and styling elements like headings, paragraphs, and images is straightforward, allowing you to bring your design vision to life effortlessly. Next up, we'll make your website dynamic and interactive. Webflow's Content Management System, or CMS, allows you to manage and update content with incredible ease, perfect for blogs or portfolios. You'll learn to craft custom animations and interactions, adding a layer of polish and engagement for your visitors. We'll also cover how to implement forms and other interactive elements, making your site a two-way communication channel with your audience. Finally, it's time to launch your masterpiece. We'll go through the crucial steps of preparing your website for publication, ensuring everything is perfect. You'll learn how to publish your site to a custom domain or leverage Webflow's robust hosting. We'll also touch upon essential SEO settings, helping your site get discovered by search engines. With these steps, your professional, fully functional website will be live and ready for the world to see in just a few clicks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.